Hi children, good morning. Welcome back to the maths class. I am Soumya, your maths teacher of Dr. Besant School. How are you children? Are you all fine and healthy? Very good. I hope you are fine at home. Okay. Everyone be careful while going outside. Okay. You don't forget to wear the mask. And before eating anything, wash your hand for at least 20 seconds. Do you remember Dotry? Hmm? In that way, we have to wash your hands for at least 20 seconds. Okay, children? Are you ready for the today's class? Everyone, get ready along with your studio book, companion book, pencil, sharpener and eraser. Get ready, children. Are you ready? Are you ready? Shall I start the class, children? Yes. Okay. Do you remember, children, up to which topic we have discussed in our previous video? We have discussed up to the ascending and descending orders. Companion 2E up to 2E we have discussed in our previous video. Today I am going to explain you 2.13 onwards. Are you ready, children? Shall I start the class? Good. See, children, what is 2.13? 2.13. What is 2.13? First read the question, children. Study the patterns in the numbers to fill in the blanks. Some numbers are given for you. You have to write down the next numbers. Total 4 problems are there. 4 types of problems are there. Each has 2 problems. I will explain one problem. Okay, children? See, first one. Patterns are given for you. 5,527, 5,537, 5,500, 5,547, 5,547, dash, 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 dash. This problem is given for you. This is the first one. Next, I am writing all the questions first, then I will explain. Next one, 62,942, 62,842, and 62,742, dash, 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 dash. This is the second one. I am explaining one question, okay? Next one. 25,678, 35,678, and 45,678, dash, 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 dash. This is the third one, third model. Next one, 12,456, 13,456, next 14,456, dash, 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 dash. Here, this is the last one. Here, what is there? We counted forwards. We counted forwards and backwards in forwards and backwards in dash. That is the question here. We counted forwards and backwards in dash. This is the second one. Okay. Third one. We counted forwards and backwards in dash. Next one. Fourth one also same. We counted forwards and backwards in dash. Okay. Now see children, these are the first questions. Second questions I am giving you as the homework. First understand the given terms. All these are the patterns already given for you. Pattern what is used there. For the patterns first what you have to do is understanding the given terms first. And what is the relation between the given terms, you have to find out that relation and implement the same relation to finding the next terms also. That is the finding the patterns. Now see children, in this question first one is what? What is the first number? 5527. And second number is 5537. Next fourth number is 5547. What happened here? Now observe first. 5500 same is there, 27 becomes 37 means what happened here? Here 10 is added here, plus 10 happened here, 10 is added here. Again 5537 becomes 5547 means again 10 added here. Means in this pattern from 10 by 10, 10 we are adding. Next, what will be the next term? What will be the next term? 5547 plus 10 is 5557. The next term will be 5557. Okay. Next, what is the next term? What is the next term? 5557 plus 10 is 5567. 5567. Okay. Next one. 5567 plus 10 is 5577. Next one. Plus 10 means 5587. 5587. What will be the next term? 5597. 5597. Okay, all these are the required terms here. Have you understood? First, we get the relation between the given terms. We have to implement the same relation to the next terms also. That is the finding the patterns. Here, this term to this term 10 is added, and this term to this term 10 is added. That's why we are adding 10 to all the terms. Okay, these are the answers. Now say children, what happened here? This is the first problem. Second problem is subtracting. Here we are adding 10. For the second problem, what happened? Observe children. 78,686, 78,676, 78,666 means 10 is subtracting. Means we counted forwards and backwards in tens. 10. You should write 10. We are counted in 10 only. That's why we counted forwards and backwards in 10. This is the top concept here. Okay. Now coming to the next one. Observe children, note down this one first. Next, observe the second one. See children. Here 62,942 is given for you. Next 62,842 is given for you. And 62,742 is given for you. Now observe children, what happened here? 62,942, 62,842. What happened here? In between these two terms, 100 is subtracted. 942 minus 100 is 842. 842 minus 100 is 742. 742 minus 100 is what? 62,642. 62,642 is the next term. What is the next term? 62,642 will become 542. Next, 62,442. Next one, 62,342. 342. What is the next one? 62,242. 62,242. What happened here? We counted forwards and backwards in what we did here? Subtracting 100, backwarding 100. That's why we count. Next problem is in this one more problem also there. That is you have to do that one more. That is the forwarding. Next, that's why we counted forwards and backwards in 100. Here we counted in 100 now. That's why that is the 100. We should write here 100. Okay. This is the second problem. In second problem, one more problem also there. That one you have to do on your own. Next, observe this one. Say children, here 25,678 is there. Next term is 35,678. Next term is 45,678. You understood all these problems, then you can say easily. What will be the next term? 45 after 55,678. 55,678. What we added here? We are adding 10,000 here. We are adding 10,000. The difference between these two terms is 10,000. Means we are adding the 10,000 to 10 by 10. Here also we are adding 10,000. After adding 10,000, we will get 55,678. What will be the next term, say children? What will be the next term? 55 after 65,678. 65,678. What will be the next term? 65 plus 10,000 is? 65,678 plus 10,000 is? 75,678. What will be the next term? 75 plus 10,000 is? 85,000. 85,678. 85 after? 95,000. 95,678. Like this you have to do whatever the relation between the terms. Implement the same relation to the finding the next terms. Here what we counted? What is forwarding and backwarding counting here? Here 10,000 we are adding. That's why we counted forwards and backwards in 10,000. You should write here 10,000. Okay, that is the next one. That is the next problem. Okay, now you have to do that one on your own. Now coming to this problem, observe children, 12,456, 13,456, 14,456. What will be the next term? What will be the next term? Say children, 15,456. How do you say that one? How do you say that is the answer? What you did there? We added 1,000. See children, if we add 1,000 to 12,000, that becomes 13,000. 30,000 plus 1,000 is 14,000. 14,000 plus 1,000 is 50,000. 15,000 only. That's why the next term is 15,456. Means for term by term we are adding the 1,000 here. Next number is 15,000 plus 1,000. 16,000. 16,456. The next term is 16,000 plus 1,000 is 17,000. Very good children. 17,456. The next term is 17,000 plus 1,000 is 18,000. 18,456. The next term is 18,000 plus 456 plus 1,000 is 19,000. 19,456 means we counted the forwards in thousands here. That's why you should write here 1,000. In the blank you should write as we counted forwards. Backward problem you have to do on your own in thousands. Note down children, note down this problem in your book. If you are writing slowly, make the video pause. After completion of the writing, again on the video. Okay? Yeah, this is the count patterns. Okay, next one. 2.14. What is the 2.14? See children. Look at the sale analysis of the following car models and answer the question. One data is given for you. Using that data, you have to answer the questions. See, car model. Drive fast. The number of cars sold in May 2015 is 19,663. Accelerate 22,595. Superwagon 12,467. And Swiftly 217,195. Grand Jetton is 10,112. How many cars sold in 2015 to May is given for you. Okay, car models. Now here questions also there. You have to answer for those questions. Now see children, what is the first question? If Luke bought the Accelerate, Mike bought the Grand Jetton, Johan bought the Swiftly 200 and Rian bought the Superwagon, who bought the highest selling car? Have you understood children? Who? Luke. The person Luke bought the Accelerate car. Mike. The person Mike bought the Grand Jet car. Johann bought the Swiftly car, Swiftly 200 car, and Rian named person bought the Super Wagon car. Who bought the which car is given for you. Next, what asked in the question is who bought the highest selling car? What is the highest selling car? Observe the given data. Observe the given data. What is the highest selling car here? Here, Accelerate. Accelerate only. Accelerate 22,595. That's why Accelerate is the highest. I will write the names on the board. Accelerate is the highest selling car there. Okay. Now who bought the Accelerate? Read the question and say who bought the Accelerate? See. Drive fast car 19,663. Accelerate car 22,595. And Super Wagon 12,467. And Swiftly 200 17,195 and Grand 95 and Grand Jet G10 10,112. Okay, this is the data given for you. How many number of cars sold in the 2015 May? Okay, these are the more car names. Now in the first question, who bought the which car? Which person bought the which car is given for you. Luke bought the Accelerate and Mike bought the Grand G10, Johan bought the Swiftly 200 and Rian bought the Super Wagon. Now what the question is, who bought the highest selling car? See children, in all these the number of cars sold, which car is highest selling car? Which car is highest selling here? Accelerate only. 22,000 is the big number. That's why this is the highest selling car. Now, Accelerate. Who bought the Accelerate? Read the question. First term only. Luke bought the Accelerate. That is the first one answer. First one answer is Luke. This is 2.14. Luke bought the Accelerate car. Now, second question. Read the second question. Which is the least selling car in May 2015? Which place did you check to answer the question? See children, which is the least selling car in May 2015? Which least selling means least number. 19,000, 22,000, 12,000, 17,000, 10,000. Which is the least one? Which is the least one? This one only. Grand Jet 10. That is the least one. 10,112. That one you should write next. Grand G10 or Z10. Next one. Third one. See children, what is the third one? If the Centura sold 10,000 more cars than the Drive Fast. Okay. How many Centura cars were sold in May 2015? What is given here? And one more is there, Centura. Centura sold 10,000 more cars than the Drive Fast. How many cars sold the Drive Fast cars? 19,663. Actually, Drive Fast cars sold 19,663. Okay. Now, in the question what given? Centura sold 10,000 more cars than the Drive Fast. Means what you have to do? You have to add 10,000 to the Drive Fast cars. Why? Because here 10,000 more cars is given. That's why we are adding the 10,000 cars to the Drive Fast cars. 3 plus 0 is 3, 6 plus 0 is 6, and 6 plus 0 is 6, 9 plus 0 is 9, and 1 plus 1 is 2. Now, what is the answer here? 29,663 is the answer. 29,663. This is the answer here. Okay. Over children? Yeah. This is the 2.14. Okay. Next. Next, complete the concept map. Here we have note down children, note down the three answers. Next one is the concept map. Note down that one first. Concept map. My number, you can write any number. Okay. Dash, this is one box. Next one, number name. Number name is one box. Next one is expanded form. Expanded form is one box. Next one is round off. Round off to the highest place value. Highest place value is one box. And here, now see children, this is the number I have taken here. You can write any 5-digit number. I have taken 45,728 here. Now see, first one is the here place value chart. The ones, tens and hundreds place. This is called as ones period, and thousands and 10,000 place. This is called as 10,000 period. This is called as thousands period. In between the ones period and tens period, we have to keep the comma. Okay, that's why here in between this 5 and 7 we kept the comma here. Now see children, what is the digit in the ones place here? The digit in the ones place is 8. That's why you should write 8 in the ones place. The digit in the tens place is 2. You should write 2 in the tens place. The digit in the hundreds place is 7. You should write 7 in the hundreds place. The digit in the thousands place is 5. You should write 5 in the thousands place. Next, the digit in the 10,000s place is 4. That's why you should write 4 in the 10,000s place. This is the place value chart of 5-digit number. Okay. Now next one, number name. Number name is asked here. How to read this number, say children? 4 in the 10,000s place is nothing but 40,000, and 5 is in the thousands place is nothing but 5,000, and 7 is in the hundreds place is nothing but 700, and this 2 is in the tens place is nothing but 20, and 8 is in the ones place is nothing but 8. How to read this number? 45,728. Like that only? That's why you should write that one in the number name block. Okay. You should write 40, F-O-R-T by 45,000. 45,000. 700. 700. And 28. 28. This is the number name of this 5-digit number. Next one is expanded form. What does it mean by expanded form? Expanded form is the addition or sum of all the place values of all the digits. Now can you say children, what is the place value 4 here? 4 is in 10,000s place, means 40,000. We should write 40,000 plus 40,000 plus 5 is in thousands place, means the place value of 5 is 5,000. 5,000 plus 7 is in which place? 7 is in hundreds place. The place value of 7 is 700. 700 plus 2 is in which place? 2 is in tens place here. The place value of 2 is 20 here. That's right. 20 plus 8 is in ones place. The place value of 8 is 8 ones are 8. You should write 8. 40,000 plus 5,000 plus 700 plus 20 plus 8. This is the expanded form of this 5-digit number. Okay children, this is about the expanded form. Now rounding off to the nearest to highest place value. What is the highest place here? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. 10,000 is the highest place here. Okay. Now, which 10,000 is near to this number? That is the rounding off means. This 45,000 is in between 40,000 and 50,000 only. These are the 10,000s. In between these two 10,000s only, this 45,728 is there. Okay. Now, can you say, children, which is near, which 10,000 is near to this number? 40,000 or 50,000? 50,000. Why? We know this, the middle number of these two numbers is 45,000 only. This number is above 45,000, means this is near to this number, not to this number. That's why 50,000 is the rounding of number to this number. Okay. That's why you should write 50,000 is the round of the number to nearest 10,000's place. 50,000. You should write 50,000 in this box. Okay, children. This is the concept map. Note down in your book, children. Note down that one in your book. That is the concept map of this chapter. See, what is there next? Today I am giving the so many problems as the homework for you. What is the next one is? See, children. Here first one is the question time. Next one question time. First row many the write the number names and expanded forms. Now only I have explained. This is the number name and this is the expanded form. Like this you have to do for the two problems. Next one is comparisons. Less than, greater than, equal. Do you know that one? You should do those problems also. Next one is the rounding of numbers. Now only I have the explained how to round up to the nearest to tens, hundreds and thousands and 10,000s. Next one, ascending and descending order. Ascending order means small to big. Descending order means big to small. Like this you have to compare all the given numbers and write down in the blanks. That is the next one. Okay, 5th, 6th and 7th. These are the 10 more, 10 less, 100 more, 100 less, like that. 7th also round up the numbers only. You can do the 7th also rounding of to nearest to tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. You should do that one also on your own. 5th and 6th I will explain now. These are the different now. That's why those problems I will explain. I will explain 3 problems are given for you. I will explain one problem. Fifth one, 34,410. This number is given 10 more, 100 more, 1,000 more, 10,000 more. This is the 5th one. Next, 6th one is number 65,490. 10 less, 100 less, 1,000 less, 10,000 less. Okay, now you have to write down all these numbers now. Okay, see children, this is the number given for you. You have to calculate these things. Now, so how to calculate? 10 more means what? More means you have to add. Less means you have to subtract. More means 10 more means you have to add 10 to this number. If you add 10, 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 1 is 2. 4, 4, 3. What will be the result if you add 10? 34,420. That is the 10 more number. Okay, you should write that one only here. 34,420 is the 10 more. Next one. Directly you can write 10 plus 10 is 20. Next one is 100 more. You add 100 to the hundreds place digit. You add 100 to the hundreds place digit. Here 4 hundreds are there. If you add 100, that 100 will become 500s. 100 more means 34,510. Here 400 is there. If you add 100, this becomes 500. That way 34,510. Now 1,000 more. 1,000 more means we have to add that 1,000 to the thousands place. How many thousands are there here? Here 4 thousands are there. This is the thousands place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Here, how many thousands are there? 4,000s are there. If we add 1,000 to 4,000, what will happen? 5,000. That will become 5,000. Means 35,000. If you can't understand, normally you have to add also, no problem. If you add here 1,000, what will be the result? 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. And 4 plus 0 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. And 3 is 3. That one only will come. 35,410. Directly you can add to that place, thousands place. Now 10,000. If we add 10,000, how many 10,000s are there here? Here 3 10,000s are there. If we add one more 10,000, what will happen? 4,000 10,000s will come. That's why 44,000. 44,410. That is the answer. Okay, like this you have to do for the remaining two problems. Now less. 10 less means here how many tens are there? 9 tens are there. If we subtract 1 10, what will happen? That becomes 8. That's it. 10 less means 65,480. Okay. Now 100 less. How many hundreds are there here? Here 4 hundreds are there. If we subtract 100, what will happen? This 400 becomes 300s. That's it. 65,390. 100 less means you have to subtract 100 from the hundreds place. Next one, 1,000 less. Here how many thousands are there? 5,000s are there. If we subtract 1,000, what will happen? This 5,000 becomes 4,000s. 64,490. Next one, 10,000 less. How many 10,000s are there here? Here, 6 10,000s are there. If we subtract 1 10,000, what will happen here? This 6 become 5. What will be the result? 55,490. 55,490. Okay, all these are the more and less problems. Okay, children, I have explained one problem. The remaining two problems you have to do on your own. Okay. Next problem also the rounding of the number. That is also very simple. Okay. This is the concept of the numbers. In this chapter we have discussed about the number name, expanded form, place value, and ascending order, descending order, comparison of the numbers by using less than, greater than, equal, and rounding of the numbers. All these are very important for you. Depends upon these numbers only we will solve the remaining problems also. Okay. That's why be careful about this chapter. When you are having the free time, you have to practice each and every concept, each and every problem. Okay, children. In the next class, I will start the new chapter. Until then, bye bye, children. Thank you. After completion of the homework, take the pics and send through the WhatsApp. Bye bye.